Good morning. Today we discuss about Skill India Competition 2025. India Skills is the largest skill competition in the country designed to empower young professionals and provide them with an opportunity to demonstrate their abilities. It acts as a launchpad for youth to represent India at WorldSkills, thereby connecting national talent with international standards and recognition. Here you find the competition guidelines. Release date of India Skill Guidelines July 2025. Registration for India Skill Competition it till July. It is open in July, August, and September 2025. Submission of proposals by 30th August 2025. Sharing of India skill registration data with states SSCs for organizing at district state level in the first week of October 2025. The competition begin in July as you see with the release of guidelines and registration followed by proposal submission in August. State and track 2 competition are held during October and November, leading to regional competition in December and January. The national event take place in February 2026 with the ultimate goal of preparing participants to represent India at the World Skill Competition in September 2026. The final round is on February 2026. So, here is a creating awareness and excitement. Awareness is built through the sharing of success stories and testimonials from past winners, which inspire students to participate. The benefit of joining the competition, including industry level training, cash prizes, and international opportunities, are highlighted. Additionally, awareness efforts come from workshops by past participants and industry experts, as well as engaging social media campaign targeted at students level. Institutions and peer support. Institutes are encouraged to provide dedicated mentorship to guide students through the registration and training process. Peer learning groups are promoted to help students share knowledge and support each other. A central resource hub containing guidelines, training material, and past project is developed to ensure that students are well prepared. Now we move to growth and recognition. The competition is presented as a journey of growth where every milestone from registration to selection is celebrated. It is positioned as a platform not only to win but also to develop personal skills, challenge oneself, and interact with industry leaders who reinforce the real world value of expertise. There are tangible incentives also. Students are motivated with financial support from state skill development mission, which can cover fees, travel, and materials cost. Cash prizes of up to 2 lakh rupees and additional institutional rewards are offered. Moreover, a streamlined registration process through the Skill India portal ensures that participation is simple and barrier free. As you see in this, a 2 lakh cash prize is also available. There is a continuous skill development, long-term learning plans, industry-aligned trainings, digital learning resources, feedback mechanisms. The competition emphasizes long-term growth through personalized learning plans and training aligned with industry requirements. Students are given access to digital resources such as online courses, tutorials, and workshops. Regular assignment and feedback mechanism are included to ensure continuous improvement beyond the competition. There are some success stories also. As you see on the screen, inspiring journey of past winners such as Arun, Priya, and Rajesh demonstrate the life-changing impact of India skill from securing top jobs, becoming community trainers, and representing India globally. These stories show how determination and guidance can transform aspiration into achievements. Implementation action plan to achieve success. A structured plan is put in place that involves forming dedicated teams, running awareness campaigns, and setting up mentorship and recognition system. Institutions and partners secure funding and incentive for participants while continuous evaluating and adapting strategies to keep them effective. Here is the last slide that is about the conclusion. India Skill takes a holistic approach that combine awareness, support, recognition, and incentives to keep motivation high. The emphasis is on celebrating every milestone and focusing on the journey rather than only the destination. With strong institutional commitment and a long-term vision, the competition become a pathway for career advancement and lifelong skill development, encouraging students to skill, compete, and succeed. Here is the link of Skill India digital.government.in. Here is the official website of Skill India. You need to click over India Skill 2025 to register yourself. Click over this. As you see, this is the main page. You need to feed your mobile number and press on continue. Now I show you the registration process. Step 1, just go to this website on the government website. You need to feed your 10-digit mobile number. It is proceed with OTP. Feed your OTP and set your account password over here. As you see, now log in with your preferred password. eKYC process is there. To Aadhaar, you can proceed with your eKYC also. As you see, you need to feed your 12-digit Aadhaar number and click continue. Now you are registered successfully. Move to the registration form. The minimum age is the minimum age is 16 year. The maximum age criteria, you should be born on or after 1st January 2004. You need to work or you need to submit your ideas in different technologies like digital construction, cloud computing, cyber security, ICT networks, infrastructure, additive manufacturing, industrial design technology, industry 4.0, mechatronics, optoelectronics technology, robot systems, integration, water technology, dental prosthetics, and aircraft maintenance, where competitor compete must be born on or after 1st January 2001. In these cases, age relaxation is there. Now we move to next part. This is the eligibility criteria. The registration form has 3 sections: personal detail, address detail, education qualification, and employment. In the step 6, fill the personal detail. This is the form where you just feed your personal detail. In the 7th step, you just need to feed the address, your permanent address, your personal address, or current address. In the 8th step, you just need to feed your educational qualification. Just submit. This is the last step. Thank you for watching.